it's Hanny. I'm going to start a witchcraft book, a grimoire, how do you call that? Book of shadows. It's an old cover from a magazine in the Netherlands, Eigen Haard. It's a very old cover from 1894, yes. I gathered some stuff, some jewelry. I can't pronounce that. I want to decorate the cover. I want to get rid of this. I tried to paint it in gold and here, but I'm not sure what to do with it. But I found this thingy, and I have more of these things and book corners. Where are the book corners? Well, I had book corners, big ones. I think, oh, here they are. More jewels and stuff. Here are the book corners I want to use. Like so. Big ones. What did I find more? Well, more gems and rhinestones and ornaments. Maybe I can use some of those. Some fabric, fitting fabrics. Maybe I can use that. I have lace, but I didn't look for that. All kind of matching fabrics. I have paint, gold, green and black. And 2 books about witchdom, so I can get some inspiration from there. And a book. Maybe I can use some things out of this book. Some pictures. I had a book. I have some pictures and book pages which I can use, I hope. All kinds of stuff. I think I'm going to write in it with my pen. Where do I have that? Here, I think. I have a pen and ink, black and brown ink, and all kinds of pens. This is this pen I can use. This one. So I want to write things in the book. And I coffee dyed a lot of paper. I will show it to you if I have. One moment. I will put this away. So I don't know how thick the book is going to be, but these are all the papers I dyed yesterday and the day before yesterday. different kinds of papers. These are just drawing papers, which I tore, and I dyed some papers with lace. These are double papers, not A4 but A3 papers, and it's just fitting in here. And I dyed all kinds of where are they? Ledger papers. You see all kinds of grit and ledger papers, and just plain copy paper, but then in A3 size without the lace. Well, here's a big pile. They are not all very neat. They are some are teared, torn, damaged. But I see what I can use. I will make signatures of those. Oh. To fill the book. And that's how far I got. So the first thing I'm going to do is decorate the cover, I think. And well, I don't know if that is the thickness of the book I want to use. I think that's thick enough. And I like the spine. I will repair it a bit, not too much, because, well, I like it to be old. This is the back. Like this too. Maybe I'm going to use some gold on here, like this. And I want to do something with this and this. The title of the book, something like that, and maybe some gold and maybe some gems or whatever. So that's the start of my book. I don't have a plan. I just have ideas and a few plans, of course. I want to use this book, those papers I showed you, those papers, and well, the things I found I showed you earlier. And I'm going to start with that. Well, what I did was put some black and gold paint on the back. I glued the spine a bit on the outside, and I keep it that way, I think. And I tried several things with this these two parts. The first thing I did was maybe that's an idea for you when you have a book with how do you call that, embossed letters. You can just do it this way. And cut this piece out, like here. Where do I have it? Here I have it. And like this. And you have a piece you can glue on there. Not this piece, of course, but you can get some paper and glue that on, and then the text is gone. And you can do that with this. I did it with this too. I cut that out and I made a golden piece I could glue on there, and I still can. I'm not sure what to do with that, but that was one option. But I painted it first, the whole area I want to cover, and maybe I leave it that way. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gluing something on, maybe something different. I made this too, and I've tried this, something like that on it, and then, well, I'm not sure what to do. The second thing I did was I had this ornament. I have another one, but where is it? Oh, here it is. I painted some black on it, so you get a bit darker, well, gold, a bit older gold. I could do it on there. I like that. I could do it on there with this. I tried several things. Could do it on there, just like that. I have this piece. Could do it on there with some gems in it, maybe. That was a possibility. I don't know if I succeed, but here are little holes. And I could do some gems in there if I want to. So I covered that up. But I'm not sure yet what to do. I'm still thinking. And I like this the most. But then you can see still the letters in here. So yeah, could do it this way. I painted this a bit with gold. It was very shiny, and so I painted it a bit with gold paint. So the glittering was a bit gone. I could do this, and I could do it more symmetric. Maybe some piece over here, not this way of course, but cutting a new one. I don't know what to do. I have to think about that, what to do. So I will leave it for now, because well, I have to sleep overnight or maybe a few nights, I don't know. What I want to do next maybe is to glue this on again because I like this kind of spine. It's a bit round. I have to glue this. I see that's loose also. And I like the round spine. So I think I'll keep it that way. So I have to glue this on. And then I think I'm going to make the signatures. So I think I stop for today. I quit for today because I have to think it over. Well, this was the beginning. I could glue this on if I can. I use fabric glue for that. Maybe I could glue it on here. I don't know if you can see the whole book. Just some fabric glue. Well, it's clogged now. Well, I have enough. So, and then glue it like this and hold it for a while because it's round. I think it holds, yeah. So, I will sleep overnight and well, I'm going on holiday again. It's the 6th time, the 5th or the 6th times this year. So I'm barely how do you call that? Barely at home. But hey, it's beautiful weather. We have a camper van and we can go anywhere we want. So let's do it. Why not? I don't know how long it takes to upload a new video, but I'll do my best. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye for now.